Hey guys, welcome to JN Electric channel. This time we will show you how to test the digital ammeter that we have made before. This is the schematic and block diagram of the switch that has been a reference for us before. Looks, this is PCB and component layout. Very simple and easy to make by beginner technician. Work begin with soldering parallel resistor. Make sure it is well connected. This job can be done casually. By simply twisting the connection cable will be strong. Soldering if you are still in doubt. Do the connection according to the scheme that has been given. This is a 1 ohm resistor that functions as a serial resistor. Solder with a capacity of 40 watts is enough to melt solder tin. You can do the job relaxed and while listening to your favorite music. Measure the value of each resistor using a digital or analog multitester. Write the value of each resistor on the paper. And you must remember that the skin of your hand should not touch the resistor pin. Press button the ohmmeter measurement range if the value is not correct. Arrange the resistor according to the marking that has been given. The work on the marking the resistor value has been completed. Let's move on to the next stage. turn on the main switch and the 7 segment will light up. We begin to test how much current flow in the 150 ohm resistor. Next, resistor 100 ohm. Next, resistor 118.7. And next, resistor 1000 ohm. So on the other resistor, in fact, this ammeter works almost accurately. The DC current are almost perfectly measurable. And please subscribe if you like this content. Please write the description if you don't understand everything. Thank you for visiting the GN Electric channel.